Hi Hamza. Wanted to say hi and that I am thinking of you. And all of these pictures that are going to come after this are the plants that we saw on our walk. And fifth graders are starting a plant unit, so I wanted to show you some of the plants that we saw on our walk. Okay, all right. Wanted to say hi and that I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, these are called Gemini, meaning twins. So you can see the different colors on especially the white and the purple. So that was pretty against the rock. These are called daffodils, and they are early spring flowers just like the tulips. Yellow, they look like sun, don't they? Little sunshine. This is one of the beautiful crabapple trees in full blossom, and it smells really, really sweet.
Oh, hey Hamza, here's another scene, garden, tulips and blue flowers. The red ones are called tulips. Aren't they pretty? Thinking of you, buddy.
These purple flowers, tulips, and the orange ones. So the purple ones especially reminded me of you and your love for the Vikings. Aren't they pretty? Just wanted to tell you again that I miss you, and I know that you are staying strong, and most of all, that I love you. Talk to you later, buddy.